Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Dinis Tufah bin Iza 2190237 from class 2 to SC2. So today I would like to talk about and give a speech regarding an important issue today, which is the topic of the cause of unemployment among fresh graduates in Malaysia. So this problem is not strange to us. It is a common issue today which affects fresh graduates in Malaysia. So we can see today many fresh graduates are sitting at their home, jobless and don't know what to do. So fresh graduate unemployment in Malaysia is not a new problem for us. So we can see today the cause of unemployment among fresh graduates is clearly due to the global pandemic COVID-19. It is affecting many companies. Many companies are being slowed down, being stopped because of this COVID-19. They cannot operate properly and because of this they cannot hire workers, which is the fresh graduates. So you can take the easiest and biggest example in the biggest company which is affected heavily by this global pandemic, which is the airline company in Malaysia. The global airline company are also being affected. In Malaysia, we have Malaysia Airlines. So on March 12, 2020, 15,000 employees were being forced to take unpaid voluntary leave, and this taking a heavy toll on them and making them to stop their jobs and become jobless. This is because airlines need travelers. Airline needs people to travel on their plane, and because of this COVID-19, people cannot travel, and this takes a heavy toll on the airline company, especially in the aspect of their financial. Even before COVID-19, the rate of unemployment among fresh graduates is very higher compared to the national average, which is 11.9% compared to the national average of 3.4%. So this shows that the case of unemployment among fresh graduates is a big problem in Malaysia. Putting aside COVID-19, there are other main reasons why fresh graduates are getting unemployed and getting jobless. The first is, of course, there are simply not enough job for us, simply not enough job for the fresh graduates. According to Bank Negara, between 2010 to 2017, there are 173,000 fresh graduates, but only 99,000 high-skilled jobs are being prepared and available, which means only a few percent over the 100% of fresh graduates will be hired and get a job. So this makes it harder for the fresh graduates to get a job because there is simply no job, simply not enough job for them. But according to JobStreet, fresh graduates are a part of this problem themselves. There are 5 main reasons why fresh graduates aren't getting hired for the jobs. First is they are asking for unrealistic salary. Second is they are being choosy about their jobs. Third is poor attitude. Fourth is poor English, and fifth is poor communication. So the biggest issue here compared to the others is the first one, which is asking for unrealistic salary. This comprises 66% compared to the other issues. According to Khazanah Research Institute, the salary of starting fresh graduate is only 1,833, which roughly equals to 150 spicy chicken McDeluxe. According to me, that is not enough. So this is the main problem why the fresh graduates aren't getting hired, because they are asking for unrealistic salary. Second is they are being choosy about their jobs. According to me, they should be prepared for the worst, because any jobs could be good for them as long they are being patient and they could go through and eventually lead to their success. The third reason is poor attitude. So this poor attitude are also the main reason why fresh graduates aren't getting hired. They should make important of their attitude, which is being patient, being a hard worker, and being a very polite worker. Because today's student, they are not being patient enough, and sometimes they treat their boss or their employees unpolitely, and this makes them hard to get a job. So the fourth and fifth is poor English and poor communication. So this must be exercised and prepared since school. They need to have the soft skills, which can really help them to get a job, especially during the interview. So now I will tell you about how to overcome this bad situation of why fresh graduates are not getting hired for their jobs. So JobStreet have done a research on what gives fresh graduate a competitive advantage. And now we will focus on during the school moment, during their study period. There are four things that need to be focused, which is first, leadership position; second, good grades; third, involving themselves in extracurricular activities; and the last one is involving themselves in voluntarily work. So these four things that I've stated earlier, which is leadership position, good grades, getting involved in extracurricular activities, and volunteer work, will aid the fresh graduates in getting their jobs easier, because it might impress the employer and gives them the advantage compared to the other fresh graduates. So the conclusion of my speech today is, I would like to tell that the fresh graduates need to be tough. They have to be patient, because competition nowadays is very hard. The population in our world is getting higher day by day, so we need to be competitive and toughen ourselves. During the free time the fresh graduates are having, they can even start their own business. They can learn new skills, which can eventually help them in getting their new jobs. So that's all from me. Thank you.